Hello, welcome to my class. I am Pamela Jasmine. Today I am going to take the MCQs of Mahatma Gandhi and the national movement. First question. What turned Gandhiji from cooperator to non-cooperator to the British? Events like Khilafat wrongs, passing of the Rowlatt Act and Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. A way of protesting in which one does not cooperate with the evildoer. What is that? Non-cooperation. What is Rowlatt Act? This act authorized the government to imprison anyone without trial and convict him in the court. Who was the military commander who ordered to shoot the crowd at the Jallianwala Bagh? General Dyer. How did Rabindranath Tagore express his pain for Jallianwala Bagh tragedy? He renounced his knighthood, that is, give up the honor given by the British Crown for personal achievement. What is Khilafat movement? Agitation against the defeat of Turkey and the deprival of authority to the Caliph. Who led the Khilafat movement? Ali brothers, Maulana Azad and Hakim Ajmal Khan. What was the possibility seen by Gandhiji in the Khilafat movement? Hindu-Muslim unity. What was manufactured for the people to spin? Charka. Which prince's arrival was boycotted in 1921? Prince of Wales. Why did Gandhiji withdraw the non-cooperation movement? The violent incident occurred at Chauri Chaura. Where is Chauri Chaura? A village in Gorakhpur district in Uttar Pradesh. Which leader criticized the suspension of non-cooperation movement? Motilal Nehru and Lala Lajpat Rai. What did Subhash Chandra Bose call the suspension of non-cooperation movement? A national calamity. Who said that the non-cooperation movement as a peaceful rebellion and most civilized form of warfare? Jawaharlal Nehru. How did non-cooperation movement foster Hindu-Muslim unity? It was because of the merger of Khilafat movement with this non-cooperation movement. What was the symbol of the national movement? Khadi. What enabled the rural and urban poor to become the members of Congress? Membership fee was reduced to 4 annas. 4 annas means 25 paisa. What was the goal of the non-cooperation movement? To attain Swaraj within the British Empire if possible and outside if necessary. When did Gandhiji start civil disobedience movement? In 1930. What is the difference between non-cooperation movement and civil disobedience movement? Non-cooperation was to bring the working of the government to a standstill by non-cooperating with the administration. But civil disobedience movement was an attempt at paralyzing the administration by breaking some specific rules and regulations. Why was Simon Commission appointed? It was appointed to investigate the need of further constitutional reforms. Why was Indians unhappy about Simon Commission? The commission was composed of 7 British members of parliament and there was no Indian members, which was an insult to the Indians. Who was the main victim of protest of Simon Commission? Lala Lajpat Rai lost his life as a result of lathi blows from police. What was the ultimatum given to the British government in the Calcutta session of Congress? Either to accept the Nehru report by the end of 1929 or to face a mass movement? Who was the president of the Congress at Lahore session of 1929? Jawaharlal Nehru. What was the proclamation of Jawaharlal Nehru on December 31st, 1929 at Lahore? It was a crime against man and God to submit any longer. That means to submit to the British. What does Swaraj mean? Complete independence. What did Gandhiji do before starting the civil disobedience movement? Gandhiji served a 11-point ultimatum to the government, but the government ignored it. What was the first step of civil disobedience movement? Breaking of the Salt Law. What is Dandi March? A historic march of Gandhiji from Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi on the Gujarat coast. What followed the violation of Salt Law? Defiance of forest law in Maharashtra, Karnataka and central provinces and refusal to pay Chowkidar tax. Who is known as the frontier Gandhi? Khan Abdul Jafar Khan. The society formed by the Pathans. Khudai Khidmatgar. That means servants of God. It is popularly known as red shirts. So 3 names are there. Khudai Khidmatgar, servants of God and popularly known as red shirts. How many round table conferences were there? 3 round table conferences were there. Why did Congress boycott the first round table conference? Congress was unhappy about the report of Simon Commission. What was agreed by the government in Gandhi-Irwin Pact? Withdraw all ordinances and end prosecutions. Release all political prisoners. Permit peaceful picketing of liquor and foreign clothes shops. Restore confiscated properties. See, you will get 3 correct options and 1 option may be wrong. For that, they will tell to find out the odd one out. Who attended the second roundtable conference as the sole representative of the Congress? Gandhiji. Why was the second roundtable conference deadlocked? Because of the minority issue, that is for being demand of separate electorate. Why was Gandhiji disappointed at the second roundtable conference? The British government refused to concede immediate grant of dominion status. When was civil disobedience movement renewed? January 4, 1932. That's all. The remaining part is coming in the next chapter. That is Quit India Movement. That is the next chapter. Okay, thank you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless.